See, we got all our bikes put up on top. We got our vehicle fully loaded. As you can see, we're not going to open the trunk because it'll hit the bikes. Well, we have our cooler, food, more food, and all at that back. Actually, you can still see the window. Rona's going to sleep right here. I put your seat down, Rona, so you can lay down.
Okay.
Is that good? Perfect.
It's pillow.
Oh, yes. Oh, you put that too. Pillow?
Yeah.
Ready to go. Yay. We gotta go to a rest area.
What's that sign?
We're gonna go here. It's called Lac Lejeune.
Oh yeah.
So it's a French lake. Lac Lejeune.
This is our
So we're gonna go. We need to have a little rest.
And the exit is.
How long does it take to get here already? It's been 2 hours, right? Or 3?
Logan Lake.
Yeah, Logan Lake, Lac Lejeune Road. Here we are. Okay. This is Lac Lejeune, like a provincial park. So we're just driving by here.
200 meters, you will arrive at your
Can you
destination.
turn that up, please? Do they have like picnic area here? And we can have a day use here. See, everybody who's camping is all over here.
Head east.
Is there pay parking? I don't think so. Yeah, you can just park and go.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
This is nice. No, back up. No, back
Keep going. I want to keep going.
No, back home.
Keep driving.
It's a picnic area.
Yes. Keep driving.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
This is a beach area.
We have
a little cactus lake.
yeah. Yeah, it is like a little cultist lake.
Yeah, it's like a little cactus lake.
I didn't bring a lot of inflatables, so.
Yeah, it's simple.
What is it doing?
It's a jet.
This is called Mount Thomas
Thompson.
Thompson.
Thompson
River?
This is one of the big salmon run. Thompson
Oh,
River.
is it? Can't really see. Kind of. What does that say?
There is the visitor info.
Clearwater Gateway to
Right
Wells. And there's a visitor info. What time they open till? We don't know. I think we should go there because we can.
Because that's the park.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
this is where everything else is. This is the downtown.
How do you go in
area.
here? You make a right?
Exit the roundabout.
Okay, let's go here. Magnificent Humpkin Falls.
Power of water.
Right?
See, look, Mom, look. It's on there.
Oh, yes. This is like the large canyon. It's amazing.
Looks like a forest.
And then the wow. Okay. 10 minutes so far, and we're going this way. You running?
Look at these two. Look, camera. I have to catch up with them. That's right there.
And we're behind the waterfall. In the cave. Hello! Wow! Look at this. Behind the waterfall. And there's people swimming in a pool.
You mean lake?
What?
You mean waterfall?
Waterfall? Some kind of cave here. It's cool. Place that we stayed for a couple of nights. It was really worth it because it was like in the middle of all the falls that we could see. And here we are. Yeah, it was amazing. Highly recommended.